Hi, let us see how to prepare chicken biryani in pressure cooker. This entire preparation will be in one pressure cooker, so this is going to be a very easy recipe. Place a pressure cooker over medium flame. Add 5 tablespoons ghee and heat it. Into the hot ghee, add a long cinnamon stick, about 5 cardamom and 5 cloves, 1 bay leaf. Saute this for a while, like almost 1 minute. Add 2 large onions sliced. Fry till the onion turns brown. You can do this with high flame. Now adjust the flame back to medium once the onion is brown. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and 2 green chilies. Fry until ginger garlic and chilies are cooked. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of biryani masala, three by 4 tablespoons salt. Mix and fry for a while. Now it's time to add chicken. I'm adding 500 grams of chicken which is washed and cleaned properly. Combine everything so that the chicken pieces are coated in masala. Then add about 3 tablespoons curd and a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a mix. Pour about 5 tablespoons water to this. One final mix. Place the lid and cook until one whistle on high flame. Now let us remove the lid. Slightly stir the chicken and add in rice. I am adding 750 grams of basmati rice here, which is washed and soaked in water for 10 minutes. Before you wash rice, measure the quantity of rice in a cup. For each cup of rice, add 1 1/4 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice also and stir well. Now place the lid and cook on medium flame till one whistle. That's all. Our simple chicken biryani in pressure cooker is ready. Remember, it is always better to wait for at least 1 hour before serving biryani. It will help in enhancing the flavor of biryani. We hope you will try this recipe and let us know how much you loved it in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, and for more such amazing recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.